Today we shall reflect the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 9, verses 14 and 15. Once the disciples of John came to Jesus and said, "Why do we and the Pharisees fast often, but your disciples do not fast?" And Jesus said to them, "The wedding guests cannot mourn as long as the bridegroom is with them. Can they? The days will come when the bridegroom is taken away from them, and then they will fast." Dear friends, when we speak of Jesus, one thing should be very clear to us. That is, Jesus cannot be understood without his cross or his death on the cross. Jesus' death on the cross is very important to understand who Jesus is. The gospel that we heard today has an indirect but very powerful reference to Jesus' death. Jesus says, "The days will come when the bridegroom is taken away from them, and then they will fast." In fact, these words refer to his death on the cross. Yes, then the disciples will be upset, disappointed. Then they will be fasting and they will be in despair. But Jesus would again come to them after resurrection, and their sorrow will be no more. Their despair will vanish, and they will be in a feasting mood again, and then they will proclaim the gospel. What is this feasting that I am speaking about? This feasting is nothing but the presence of Jesus himself. The presence of Jesus with us is a feast indeed. When Jesus is with us, it is like a wedding celebration. Once, Jesus was teaching to people, and they were with him the whole day. They were not bothered about food, drink, or time. At the end, disciples come to Jesus and tell him that it is getting late and it is better that he sends them away so that they can buy some food. Jesus feels pity for them, and he feeds them with a miracle by using 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. People didn't even feel hungry when they heard him. When Jesus is there in our lives, it is celebration. When Jesus is present with us, it is joy. Jesus is a God who keeps us happy, and his company is a celebration and a feast of life. One who seeks his company is blessed indeed.